goat foreleg in an oven at least for 4 hours. This will be a perfect roast of the goat whole leg. Once you get this whole foreleg cuts, so we will take butter paper, the whole leg on the butter paper. Let's season this meat. These are 2 whole bulbs of the garlic. This is approximately about 11 pounds of the whole meat. 2 bulbs of the garlic, and we will add it in here. 80 grams of ginger. Dice it and add it all in your blender juicer. Foreleg marinade. 100% extra virgin olive oil. 2 cups. This is whole 1 cup. And here goes the second one. This is meat tenderizer, 3 tablespoons. Fenugreek leaves, 3 tablespoons. Kasuri Methi, this is what it is. This is Himalayan pink salt, 2 whole tablespoons. I'm doing the rough count. Make sure you rub it. Let's blend this. Garlic, ginger, 100% virgin olive oil. This is all the blend. We will add half of it right now on top. Massage this. So it's gonna be easy for us to bend in, We have a thick layer of ginger and garlic paste. Cover it from the sides. We will take foil, foreleg in here. Of the foil, we will set our bake at 300. Timing will be at least 4 hours. So this is 221 right now. So 321, 421, 521 and 621. It will be 4 hours at 300 degrees with the foil. Make sure it's covered, that's the whole trick. This is a slow roast. Let's bake this for at least 4 hours at 300 degrees. Alright, so here you go. This is in the oven. I'll see you at least 5 o'clock. We will make some rice with it.
Who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
And you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing.
Whole goat foreleg is completely roasted. Look at all these juices.
I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging